What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now from here, if you have set your phone sound mode to silent, then set it to sound and then drag this notification slider to the right side. And after that, the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and then here tap on reset all settings option again. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, and after that the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and here click on system and updates. Now this time tap on software update, and if you have not updated the phone's software to the latest version, then update the phone, and after updating the phone's software, the notification sound issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the no notification sound in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.